Now, downloading apps on the iPhone 5 is very similar to how it was on the iPhone 3GS, 4, 4S, and obviously now it's the same way as well, except we're using iOS 6, so it might look a little bit different. So just like in the other iPhones, you would just tap on the Apple App Store here, and you can see the paid, the free, and the top grossing apps. Now for this example, we're going to download a free app to save money, obviously. So we'll go ahead and download the second one, the Gangnam Style app. We'll tap on that, and what you'll see here is your details, your reviews, and your related apps. The reviews will give you an idea of what everybody thinks of the app. The details, you can scroll along and see what the app is all about, if it uses the Game Center, etc. Now, all I have to do to install this app is hit the install button, and it'll go ahead and start installing. It might ask me for my Apple ID. You can see it's installing on the top left there. Now, if it does ask you for an Apple ID and you don't have one, you're going to need to download one. What you need to do is go to this website right here, appleid.apple.com. You can set up a free Apple ID, or you can do so through your App Store if it asks you and gives you the option. But just in case, this is the website right here to download a free Apple ID, or to create a free Apple ID. So once you've done that, you're going to need to put in your password when you download the app, before you download the app. And once it's done, you'll see, if we go back to the home screen here, you'll see I have the Gangnam Style app now. I just have to tap on that, and I can go ahead and play with the app. Anyway guys, hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit the like button down below. Subscribe up top for more how-to videos on the iPhone 5, and I will see you